In the today's class, what we are going to discuss means the configuration what exactly required for us to work on Cucumber. Right. So this is the most important thing which we need to do. The first and most important thing is JDK, which is required for us in our machine and which is 1.8 version. We need to download and install that. We need to download and install JDK in our machine. So the simple steps, let me show you how can we download this configuration also. Okay. Okay, so the simple steps, how can we download this one means, let me navigate to Google homepage and I'm entering JDK free downloads and I'm clicking on a JDK standard version 8 and here you can download this Win64 exe file and you can install that. This is the first thing which you need to download. So download a JDK 1.8 and install that. Once after successfully downloading this particular one, the next one we need to download is an Eclipse editor, Oxygen. Okay, we can download a Eclipse editor latest version which is an Oxygen. So here Eclipse editor free downloads and I'm clicking on a first link basically. So which is navigating to Eclipse official website, a downloads page, and here is an Oxygen which is the latest version. Download this a 64-bit of an Oxygen. It's going to download an exe file. Just install the tool editor in your machine. Okay, install the same editor in your machine. And then the next and a most important thing which we need to do is install Cucumber plugin to our Eclipse editor. So I just opened my Eclipse editor now. To this Eclipse editor, I'm going to help Eclipse Marketplace. So here I'm going for Eclipse help marketplace, and then from the marketplace what I'm gonna do right now means I will type cucumber. So in the search field I'm not doing anything, so I'm just entering a cucumber and I clicked on a go button. Just I entered a cucumber in the search field and I clicked on a go button. So here if you observe for me basically the natural 0.76, okay, it is displaying as installed for me. So whereas for you people it will display as an install, just click on a install. So this is, so if you observe what exactly this plugin is, this is a cucumberGherkin plugin. Okay, this is a cucumberGherkin plugin. Okay, so here there's a cucumberGherkin plugin which you need to add it to your editor. Once after you added that one, it's gonna display as an install successfully for us, with which we can confirm that this plugin was successfully installed. Okay, fine. So the next point is, okay, once after we downloaded this particular one, the next and a most important point of what we need to do is we need to set environmental variables for Java home. Okay, we need to set the environmental variables for the Java home, Maven home, and M2 home. That's it. So these are all the three things basically which we need to set environmental variables for. Once after we set these environmental variables for all these things, then directly, okay, then directly we can use this particular cucumber in our steps. Usually a simple question will rise in our mind, how come I can install Maven to my Eclipse? The answer is by default, whenever we are downloading latest version of Eclipse, it comes by default with the Maven. So we no need to download the Maven explicitly. Okay, we no need to download these Maven explicitly to your editor. So the only thing what you people need to do is directly here Maven for Eclipse, sorry, Maven free downloads. Okay, directly I would like to download the Maven. So I'm clicking on this particular first link, which is navigating to the Maven official website, from where we can download this Maven zip folder from here. Okay, you can download these Maven zip folder from here. Once after you downloaded, it's gonna come. Maven folder is coming as a zip file. Unzip it. Okay, the only thing what you need to do is unzip it. Once after we performed an unzip operation for that, the only thing what you need to do is open the Maven folder, copy the folder location, and simply update it under system variables in Maven home and M2 home. Okay, so the simple point out over here is I'm navigating to, I just want to show you this one. Right click on this PC, properties, advanced system settings. I'm just navigating to the environmental variables to show you this one. See, M2 home, I pointed, see, I downloaded this one in my local machine. See, users, Srujan, documents, auto ID examples, Apache, Maven home. I pointed up to here, which is the Maven home location I have given up to here. So the M2 home and as well as a Maven home, both are pointing to the same folder location. Once we are done, I am updating the path environmental variables here with a M2 home and a Maven home and a Java home. These are all the three things. But if you remember, guys, if you have an idea on Selenium, okay, if you have an idea on Selenium, if you look at these configuration, to work on the Selenium, we downloaded the JDK and we installed the JDK. To work on Selenium, we downloaded and we installed Eclipse editor to our machine, and we have a written programs in our Eclipse editor, and even we downloaded the Maven and we configured the Maven. So to work on a Cucumber, the only thing what exactly you need to download is a Cucumber plugin to your Eclipse editor, is the only thing which you need to download explicitly. Apart from that, you no need to download anything. Whatever the configuration we use it for Selenium, we just need to use the same thing. The only thing explicitly which you need to download is a Cucumber plugin to your Eclipse editor, which contains a Jerkins and other information. As of now, we don't know what exactly a Jerkins is. How can we use these Jerkins in a real time and all those things. We will see moving further with an examples of each and everything. But this is the configuration required for us to work on a project, a Cucumber project basically. JDK, Eclipse editor, Cucumber plugin to your Eclipse editor, downloading the Maven, configuring the Maven, and updating the environmental variables with a Maven home and as well as an M2 home. This is the only configuration required for us to update in our machine. Okay, so this is the basic info. In the next lecture, I would like to show you what is a jerkin, why we are going for a jerkin, what is the significance of that, and other details we will continue in the next class. Okay.